Have you ever thought about making your own aloe vera soap and shampoo at home, infused with herbs from your garden? In this video, I'll show you a simple way to do it using aloe vera and moringa. Welcome to the channel. On this channel, I not only show you how to plant and care for aloe vera, but also different ways you can use the plant in everyday life. In this video, I'll guide you through making a simple aloe vera soap and shampoo infused with moringa, something most people can easily do at home. Moringa is often called the miracle tree because almost every part, including the leaves, pods, seeds, bark, and roots, is valued for its nutritional, medicinal, and industrial uses. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and amino acids. The leaves, in particular, contain high concentrations of vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium, potassium, and iron. Moringa oil is also widely used in cosmetic products. First, extract the aloe vera gel. Blend it with fresh moringa leaves and filter out the pulp. Filtering is optional. If you leave the pulp in, your soap will have a more rustic look. Freezing the gel is also optional, but I usually freeze it when working with moringa since it's very sensitive to heat. For this batch, I'll be using a 600-gram silicone mold. Measure 131 grams of the frozen aloe vera and moringa mixture, and slowly add 65 grams of sodium hydroxide. Now, getting exactly 131 grams can be tricky, but it's fine to have a little extra rather than trying to break the ice into smaller pieces. A quick safety note: always wear gloves and goggles, especially if you're a beginner, and make sure to read up on how to handle lye safely. I've included a helpful link in the description box. Once the sodium hydroxide is fully dissolved, prepare 396 grams of coconut oil, then add the aloe vera moringa lye solution. This infusion creates a powerful soap for your skin. It provides deep hydration, soothes irritation and redness, and its natural antibacterial qualities help with acne control, all while gently cleansing without stripping your skin's natural moisture. When the mixture begins to thicken, add your favorite fragrance or essential oil, or leave it unscented for a pure bar. Pour it into the mold. With this recipe, you'll only need to wait about 8 hours before unmolding. While the soap sets, let's make the shampoo. Blend the aloe vera gel with moringa leaves until smooth, then filter out the pulp. Filtering is essential for shampoo, otherwise bits of pulp might stick to your hair and look like dandruff once dry. Measure 192 grams of the Aloe Vera Moringa mixture and add 60 grams of decyl glucoside. Decyl glucoside is a gentle, plant-derived surfactant made from cornstarch and coconut or palm oil. Unlike harsh sulfates, it cleanses effectively without stripping natural oils, making it ideal for sensitive skin. Next, add cocamidopropyl another mild coconut-derived surfactant. It not only boosts the mildness of the formula, but also conditions the hair, reduces irritation, and gives the shampoo a better texture. Then, hydrate cationic guar gum and xanthan gum with glycerin before adding them. Cationic guar gum naturally conditions hair, reduces tangles, and adds softness while thickening the shampoo. Xanthan gum improves consistency, so the shampoo isn't runny. Together, they create a stable conditioning formula. Next, add hydrolyzed keratin and your fragrance oil. Hydrolyzed keratin penetrates the hair shaft, repairing damage and improving elasticity to prevent breakage. If you don't have it, you can skip it. The shampoo will still work. But don't skip the preservative. Since shampoo is water-based, it's very prone to bacterial and mold growth. Preservatives are not just about extending shelf life. They ensure safety and stability until you finish the bottle. Let the mixture rest for at least 2 hours to let the xanthan gum hydrate. After 2 hours, it will thicken slightly and even more after a day. Finally, adjust the pH with citric acid until it's between 4 and 5.5 and pour into your container. This aloe vera moringa shampoo nourishes the scalp with essential vitamins and minerals, encourages hair growth, reduces dandruff, and strengthens hair without stripping its natural oils, leaving it soft and shiny. Now let's unmold the soap and cut it into handy bars. People often ask why soaps made with fresh green leaves don't stay green. The answer lies in chlorophyll, the pigment that makes plants green. During the soap making process, the lye and heat break down chlorophyll, so the vibrant green fades. I hope you learned something new from this video. This is Danny. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.